today we're doing 3 water experiments with a special one at the end.
Yeah.
That's gonna be really fun. For the first experiment, you will need plates, dry erase markers, and water. Whoa! Markers! Whoa!
Nice.
Don't touch them yet. Now we need water.
We need water.
We got all the supplies. Now let's start drawing.
I'll draw baby.
It's better if you draw something smaller so it comes off easier.
I'll draw baby.
Draw baby?
Yeah. What baby? Baby. What baby?
Okay.
I draw baby. The baby. The baby. The baby.
I don't know what I'm drawing.
I draw baby. Daddy, the baby.
Weird.
Daddy, the baby.
The brown doesn't work. I'm not even brown. Okay. I'm ready. I'm just gonna erase this.
The baby.
Draw a baby? Okay, draw a baby.
No,
I like
no, the baby. Daddy, the baby.
Yes. Oh, I should draw a bow.
I draw baby.
That's not together.
My baby.
Okay, I draw your baby. I only draw 2 things. Because I don't want it to be too much.
Baby.
Hooray, baby! We got all our shapes. Now let's pour our water on the side very slowly. I am very careful with this.
Huh?
I'm just like whispering.
Where's my baby? Where's my baby one?
Your baby right there.
My bowl's working. Oh no, my person
They're working!
My person broke. But my bowl's working.
Both of them are working for me.
They just came apart and now all of them are just 3. Yeah.
That's the head, that's the body, and then the
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Whoa, that's cool. If I move the plate, my little drawing moves.
This
That's
is kind of weird.
It's like she has snails or snakes. She drew like a bunch of random lines. Oh wait, that's actually cool.
She
drew
did
random
C,
lines.
G, U, check. I don't.
Yes, a
V.
bow and a balloon.
I got boo. And that's how you draw on water.
That's cool.
It's cool.
Let's go to the next experiment. Can you guess what happens when we put this paper behind this glass of water? Whoa! Did you see what happened? The arrow turned the other way. Isn't that cool?
Don't put it. Don't.
That's so cool. Look, the arrow points the opposite direction. Okay, let's go to the next experiment. Make sure to stick around for the fun one at the end. For this experiment, we're going to find out what happens when we put pepper and water with a dab of soap. Do it slowly so it doesn't pour out. Okay. Okay, let's put the pepper in.
Whoa. I don't like that much spice.
Okay. Okay, let's put a little bit on Emma's finger. Put in the water. The middle. What happened? Did you see how the pepper goes to the side?
I want to try
The
that.
pepper went to the side. Okay, let's try that.
Let's try it again. Me.
No, Belle's gonna do it this time, okay?
No, me.
Okay, right in the middle, right in the middle. Wow! That looked cool.
Why
Did you
don't
see
you
the
do it
pepper go
again?
to the side? Like, to the ends? It doesn't work.
It doesn't. Ew. I need to wash it. I don't like that much spicy. I like only a little. I'm watching.
Now it's time for the fun experiment.
Oh, look! It's a big jug. Oh, your silly face. You have a silly little face. Yeah! I got huge hands. I can fight you. Push, push, push. Emma, you want to try? Go hello. 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 My turn. Whoa.
You look so funny.
Look, I'm gonna stick my tongue out. Move. Daddy,
I have a big jug full of witches. Witches. I'm a witch. I'm just a witch. I'm a witch.
I started. What the heck? I started.
Clap, clap, clap.
No.
Bum.
Daddy,
Thanks for watching.
don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give it a huge thumbs up.
And remember, be kind to others.
And make a new friend.
Bye-bye. Luna Picasa. Luna Hotu Jolita. Luna Chalu Cuckoo.
For this experiment, we're going to find out what happens.
Show.
Talk in your head.
Okay, go.
If I show. If Papa.
In this experiment, we're going to find out what happens when